Kani gadega Batisi TV, bat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni.
Kibor peniat jangka Woodland Hospital Shillong kila shim ya ke jinggit kli da ke bah kubur bagi nongtray kila ai da ke Snam ke bala kutno ke por la ne ke expiry date syakawai ke Nongpang ke bah Nakash Nong Ribhoi district ke bala syak sumar ha ke hospital ke badon ha Nongba Shillong. Dr. Werlock Karshiyeng, ubalong medical superintendent ke Woodland Hospital, haga jingya keren bat ke Batisi TV, ulayat ho ba ke hospital kalatung ya ke jing toket ke babnia, halor ke ni ke jingja, bat ban shimru, ya gilat gilenti ki bating ya kino ki badon kti, ban ai da ke Snam ke basniu sya ki Nongpang. Dr. Karshiyeng ula kubur ru ba ke hospital kamla satia ban len, bakala le ya ke babakla, ban ai da ke Snam ke balasniu sya ki Nongpang. Ulay itu ba ya ke Snam bala ai sya ke Nongpang haka laipuai tarik unailar mentau Snam kalakut no kapor kata haka laipuai tarik unailar arajar katpra.
She came on 30th 8th of August, that means last month only, with severe anemia, no blood. When we estimate her blood, it is only 2.9. Dr. Sharman, the gynecologist, accordingly, she advised blood transfusion, 2 blood transfusion. So on that same night itself, blood was given, 1 unit was given, and then that blood was, expiry is 15 of September 2018. The next day, the blood again was given. There was no other blood. Only blood which is available is the same group, but which expired on 30th. The technician, the department, in the blood storage center, accordingly they did all the tests which is required, whether it is compatible, whether it is matching or not. Accordingly, it was matching. The technician from the blood storage center, they released that blood for transfusion. So this is the mistake that the department, the blood storage center, has released this blood, which expired last night, but given today in the daytime. It is a fact. The hospital will not deny that. It is quite true that the blood which expired on 30th was given on 31st. Now the only problem is that the Department of Storage Center, the technician, did not consult the consultant in charge. That look here, we have this blood which is expired last night, can we give or not? They did not consult the officer in charge of blood storage center whether we can give or not. That is the only mistake that they have made. Now when you give a fresh blood, you will get full energy from that blood. Suppose if it is taken from you today and it is given today or is given tomorrow, the patient will get full benefit from that blood because it is fresh. As you preserve it, then the quality comes down. And then when it comes down up to 35 days, that means the quality of the blood is not alright. We have no bad intention. There is no bad intention to us. But legally, we are wrong. I admit that legally we are wrong. We cannot give.
Nakaliang jong senior technician jong hospital kala shim ya ke jinggit kli halor kani ke jingja bat kubur ru bakala ai ke Snam klem ke jing pentip syagi doktor. Kani ke technician kala pan map ru na ke hospital bat ong ru baka kloy ban shim ya ke jinggit kli bat pediang ru ya kano ke jing sya pun system tambah ke jing pun bot nam kam dai pat ban lech ke hospital.
I have done, but I'm not denying that it is I have done, because actually on 31st there was one emergency. 31st or 30th already one blood transfusion is already given, and on the 31st there was also one more requirement that was also asking very urgently. So after asking the very urgently, then one of our junior technician came and tell me that they used to call me Chechi. Chechi means in our language it is like a sister. So Chechi, what to do? Then when this patient is asking, yesterday is already given, this patient is asking blood transfusion very urgently, then what to do? We don't have any more blood there. So we have one blood that is expired last night. Then I said, you indent for in the blood bank, you give the indent. So by the time, if it is delaying, by the time you do this test also, and also this blood which we are having, that is expired on 30th midnight, 12 o'clock. So I said, now only maybe 10-12 hours. So you just do the test, and also we will, because we are doing 3 kind of cross matching, that is saline, bovine and ICT. These 3 kind of cross matching, all these 3 kind of cross matching, we will do it, and we will see if there is any ruptures or any kind of hemolysis or any kind of clumping, anything is there, then we will not give it. And also I will also come and see the blood macroscopically, so that whether any discoloration is there or not, or any other fungus type or any cloudness, anything is there in the blood, I will see also. So in between 2-3 times again it was asking urgent from the ward. Then by the time that blood is already, we have indent, but it is not coming, and after coming also it will take again minimum 1.5 hour, 2 hours to finish the blood. And from the ward they were asking it is urgent. Then after that, then I told her everything is finished, all the tests finished. Then I went and checked microscopically also I checked, and microscopically also I have checked, everything was completely clear. Then after that again, then we are just waiting for some more time, then blood is not coming, again asking from the ward. Then when I found everything is okay, I said okay, then we'll release this blood to the patient here. So then I didn't do with any bad intention, just because of the good faith and just saving the life of the patient only. But being a technician, my responsibility I supposed to ask from the doctors, but that time I didn't think anything of that. I didn't remember or I didn't think anything. I just take my own responsibility, and I have given. After that I have inquired the patient, any allergy or anything is there or not, but there was no report at all. There is, because during the blood transfusion some other patients they used to get allergy, so we used to keep on inquiring whether any allergy, but this patient there was, because if it is any allergy we have to tell them suddenly to stop, because after all microscopical also it was, everything is fine, still better to check. So still finishing the blood transfusion also there was no allergy or anything reported. So I have done, actually there was no bad intention, I am really telling you. I am working almost 25 years plus. Till this is the first time in my life. Until now, I know the value of the blood. I know that it is very precious. I have myself also, I have donated 5-6 times, which is not at all related to anybody. Sometimes patients will come, I don't have anybody, what to do. So then in that cases for the baby, 2 times baby also, 150 ml for the baby, and other patient also. One only, I'm now also thinking, one husband and wife, they don't have anybody, then they came and request me, can you arrange somebody? So same B positive, and I said okay, I'm also B positive, I'll give you. I give, but they are asking me after that, you want anything? I said I don't want anything. This just I am saving the life only. I don't know that patient. I think they were from arrival somewhere. Then they went to one day they entered our house. Then they brought one suitcase without my anything. Just maybe their gratitude, like that. So many patients I have given 6 times. It's not just for the saving of blood, nothing else is there, and only I am sad only that any punishment let me get, but not to the hospital. It's my request to all the people of Meghalaya.